The cheese landscape is punctuated by myths and legends, only some of which hold any water. Want to know which stories have as many holes in them as Swiss cheese? These are some of the top contenders for cheesiest myth. Soft cheese has a higher moisture content, which makes it more spreadable and easier to melt, while hard cheese is drier and often crumbly. Soft cheese is unripened cheese made by coagulating casein, milk proteins, with acid. Hard cheeses, on the other hand, are aged, ripened, and made by coagulating milk proteins with rennet and culture acids. The ripening process is aided by bacteria or mold. It is a common myth that soft cheeses are higher in fat than hard cheeses. In reality, the fat content in cheeses is determined by the milk used to make them, not their texture. Soft cheeses, such as Brie and Camembert, are usually made from whole milk, which is naturally high in fat. On the other hand, hard cheeses, like Cheddar and Parmesan, are typically made from skimmed or partially skimmed milk, resulting in a lower fat content. The texture of the cheese is a result of the aging and production process, not the fat content. Soft cheeses are usually unripened or only aged for a short period, while hard cheeses are aged for a longer time, resulting in a firmer texture. When considering fat content, it is important to look at the nutritional information provided on the cheese packaging. This will give an accurate representation of the amount of fat in the cheese, regardless of its texture. In conclusion, the idea that soft cheeses are higher in fat than hard cheeses is simply a myth. The fat content of cheese is determined by the type of milk used and can vary widely regardless of whether the cheese is soft or hard.